Hey there, and welcome to the University of Melbourne's Individuals Toolkit. My name's Emilia, and I'll be showing you how to use this really easy online toolkit. So first things first, let's go to the right-hand side and click on the register button. So just follow along and fill in your details. When you get to the registration code field, make sure you put in the number 71002. That's 71002. Continuing answering these questions until you get down to the team section. So every person signing up to the Individuals Toolkit will have their own team. So you'll always select the new team option. Don't select someone else's name. And your team name will be your name. So let's head back into the intro page and we'll log in. Great, so if you take a look on the left-hand side here, you can see there are a number of different tabs. We've got the bronze, silver, and gold options, which is where you'll find all your actions. And then the increasing levels you go, so increasing award level, the actions increase in difficulties. All of the actions within those are laid out the same. So I'll just show you an example of one so we can see how to complete an action. So we'll select on the bronze. And you can see here as well, we've broken down the actions even further into different categories. So let's start with an example from biodiversity. So this action you can see is that you need to have downloaded iNaturalist or Quest2Game and you've submitted at least 10 sightings. So that's the action you need to complete. You can also see here that this links to the sustainability plan goal, healthy ecosystems, and it also has an icon for the corresponding sustainable development goal. Click on the further information tab to find out why we're asking you to complete this action and for links to further information. How will you be audited is saying what the auditors will be looking for when we verify your actions later in the year. So here we can see that the auditors will check that you've downloaded iNaturalist or Quest2Game and that you've submitted at least 10 sightings. The comments and evidence section is where you can upload your verified evidence. So you can either leave a comment for yourself as a reminder, or you can leave a comment to the auditors to support whatever evidence you might upload. Click on the upload evidence button to upload things like images, Word documents, PDFs, and email threads. Over in the total points section here, you can see that this particular action is worth 5. Over again, you can see not done, NA, and done. All you have to worry about is selecting done when you've completed the action. So I'm going to click on done and we'll have this little box pop up asking, are you doing this as a result of green impact? There's no right or wrong answer. This is just saying, did you complete this action because of the program or were you already doing this? Just for example's sake, I'm going to click on yes. And then don't forget to click the Save Changes button up the top. We'll quickly go over to the About page up the top, and here you'll be able to see what actions you need to complete to achieve a certain award level. For any further information or how to contact us, you can click on the Help and Contact pages. Just got one more feature to show you. If we go back to the home page, on this menu on the right-hand side, click onto the Achievement Report. So here you can see the total number of actions you've completed and what award level you're sitting at so far. You can also see what's happening at the University of Melbourne and how other individuals are at, where other individuals are at in the program. And with the league table, you can see what the top 10 teams are. Scroll down further and you can see the global picture. So you can see how many people are taking part all over the world. So that's it. That's a really quick introduction to the Green Impact Toolkit. Jump online and have a look at it yourself, and good luck. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.